planet Earth has been ravaged by a recent deadly virus that has wiped out millions across the population. The virus awakening out of melting polar ice caps caused by a warming planet. It all happened so fast. Friends, neighbors, families, all started to get sick, and soon they would die. With all this death and the chaos that came with it, that wasn't the only thing to come out of the changing planet. For some reason, after the virus spread, the surviving people have gained a blessing, or perhaps a curse. They are resurrected into the last thing they touched before they die. This is my story. My story of how I became reborn as a safety cone. Where am I?
Welcome, Mr. Bobslaw. This is Reborn Corp.
Reborn Corp? Don't you guys help newly reborns enter back into society? Wait, does that mean I?
Yes, you have died, unfortunately, a very gruesome death. You were working on an air conditioner and must have poked the wrong wire and zap, like a Christmas tree, you lit up.
But if I died, how did I end up here? And who are you?
I'm Pam, your personal support assistant. All reborn seem to appear close to where they died. It takes a bit for you to wake up, so you are transferred to our closest facility, where you will begin prep for your new life.
My new life? What do you mean? Oh my god. Did I become a freaking air conditioner?
Oh, heavens, no. You kinda...
I what?
It seems like you were reborn into a cone of sorts.
I'm a freaking cone?
Calm down. Everything is going to be okay. That's why you're here, so we can get through this together. Now do as I do and breathe in through your cone and out through your cone tip. Breathe in through your cone and repeat. Good. Now just think. It could be worse. I once helped a man be reborn into a colonoscope. Now think about it. Being compared to a rectum camera, does being a cone sound so bad?
No, I guess not. But what do I do?
I always tell my clients to start back from their place of work. Perhaps you can see if you'll still be of help.
I guess I could talk to my boss, Tony. See what he says.
What the fuck, Bobslaw? You died and got yourself turned into a safety cone.
It's not so bad. I'm actually kind of getting used to it.
Listen, Dylan, I feel for you, I really do. But I'm running a business here. I need repairmen, not repair cones.
I know I missed some days after the whole getting myself killed thing. But I'm here now, and I'm ready to work.
Why would I employ you when I could just get one of the 100 safety cones I have for free? What on earth makes you so special?
But I...
Listen, do us both a favor and just go home.
Please, Tony. I really need to keep my job.
Beat a cone, you're fired.
Oh, so how did it go?
Not so good. I got fired.
That was to be expected.
Why was it expected?
Honestly, you're a cone. You can't really fix air conditioning units anymore. And you couldn't really do that in the first place, so what do you expect? Hold on, let me ask you something. How is your sex life?
그러냐?
Maybe we should see if the other side fits.
Nani?
그러냐?
I'm starting to realize this is all a waste of my time. I'm out of here.
Oh no, please don't go. Asshole.
그러냐? 그러냐?
That stupid virus has cursed me to cone this world for eternity.
그러냐?
Random job posting.
그러냐?
And just like that, I had a purpose again.